Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix Instagram post not showing problem. Okay, let's go solve your problem. At first, check your internet connection. After check your internet connection, go back your home screen. Now tap and hold your Instagram application. Tap on apps information. Scroll down little bit. You can see storage. Tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. And then tap on clear data. Tap on delete. After tap on delete, go back one step. Now tap on permissions. You can see all permission not allow. Must be all permission allow. Now go back your home screen again. And then tap on Play Store application. Now tap on search icon. Search here Instagram application. Tap on Instagram. Update your Instagram application if it is available. My Instagram application is already updated. After update your Instagram, go back your home screen again. Now open your Instagram account. And then tap on profile icon. You can see by doing this process, hopefully solve your problem. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.